Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you about IBM Virtual Terminal plugin. This is the home page. I'll click on design. If I click on the plus mark and task template, in the other section we can see 6 actions of IBM Virtual Terminal plugin. Send CL command, check job status, submit batch job, execute script, retrieve job output and run interactive session. I have saved and run the jobs pre-existingly and I'll show you in the job log now. So if I take send CL command, if we see the output, I've given the command and I've captured the output. This is the output we will be getting, and for the successful job exit status is 0 and action output will be displayed here and command output is this. Next action is check job status. I've given the job number, job name and job user. I'll be getting the output as this. The polling IBM iJob, the job number and job name is currently as active and the action output as well as in the output properties. The next action is submit batch job. I've given a submission command to test submission mode sync. Pollen interval I have given 10, wait seconds 60 and message W action as fail. The output we see is here. Currently job is active and the action output, and for successful job we will be seeing 0 and output properties will be displayed in the action output. And the fourth action will be execute script. I've given the script scores as inline. I have given the content in the YAML. Retry count will be 0. Retry delay seconds will be 1. Capture screen on error will be false. Then the output will be neatly displayed as this in the steps. And in the output properties, we can see the session exit screen clearly and the status and step count will be displayed here. And the next action run interactive session. I've given the command here in the YAML. I've given the wait between step seconds as 0. We can see the clear output here of my user in step-by-step format, and the session output is clearly displayed here, and the output properties, the session output is also clearly displayed, and we can see the status and steps count. And the last action is retrieve job output. We have to select the job number, give the job number, give the output type and the max lines required, and we get the action output here. Exit status will be 0 for the successful job and output properties will be clearly mentioned here. And if we can see, we can give the file path to be captured. I've not used here. It can be used and status will be 0. So this is all about the IBM Virtual Terminal plugin. Thank you.